this is Brenda Meller with Meller Marketing. Today I would like to demonstrate for you how you add a new employer to your experience section on LinkedIn. Now, one of the benefits of doing so is that when someone visits your company page, and if you've properly linked yourself, you can be showcased as an employee of that organization. And the other great thing is, as an employee, we are all brand ambassadors. So it's great to showcase your employer on your profile to reach people who are visiting your profile who may not even be aware of your company page. So let's walk through the steps now. What I'm going to do is start on my LinkedIn profile. I'm going to scroll down to the section of my profile that's titled Experience. Now let's say I started a new job and I wanted to add that to my Experience section, or maybe I've been working with the company for a while and it's just simply not linked on my profile. At any rate, what I'd like to do is click on the plus symbol, and then I would add the employer in here. So let's just say I was hired as marketing director. This is all hypothetical here. And the employer that I'm working with is Rubber Stamps Unlimited. So I start typing it in, and you can see here that I'm going to stop typing when I start to see that company appear below. Now I'm going to hover my mouse over and then click on that, and now I can see that that icon appears right next to the company name, and that means it's properly linked to the company page. Now, if I were to be employed by this company, I would check on I am currently working in this role, and then I may wish to deselect update my headline because I've worked on my headline. I don't want to modify that for now. Now, depending on if this is a job change you'd like to share with your network, you may want to keep this share with network button enabled. And what will happen there is if it's a new job, something recently you started in the past month or so, LinkedIn will send out a broadcast notification to your network. In this case, I'm not going to click on save because I'm just showing a hypothetical example, but that's what I were to do. Click on and then save. Now, what I'd like to show you here is, let's say there's an employer that's listed on my profile and it's not properly linked to my company page. I'm going to go down here, and you'll see here there may be this gray avatar instead of the logo. Now, if you see that, it either means the company is no longer in business or you have not properly linked it. To change that and to see if the company does have a page, you would click on the pencil icon, and then simply in here, you would toggle back to see if the company does exist and if they have a company page. Now, in this case, MediaPlay and Musicland are no longer in business, so I wouldn't be able to correct that. But let's say it was Best Buy that I worked for. I would type in Best Buy until it starts to appear in there, and then I would make that change. Okay? So I'm going to click on discard here, and now I'm going to show you, since I've properly linked my Meller marketing experience to my profile, I can click this logo and it will bounce visitors over to my LinkedIn company page. And I'm just going to toggle to view as member, and this is what they will see. So now they can see my company page posts, they can learn more about my company, and I'm doing a great job as a brand ambassador. All right, guys, so that's been it. This has been today's LinkedIn tip, showing you how to properly link your employer to your profile. If you found this tip helpful, please leave me a comment below. And if you're watching this on YouTube, please subscribe to my channel to get more updates like these. Thank you and have a great day.